Yeah. We are at Peppermill.
Cause people always want to know
Where you at?
Peppermill.
Peppermill, Reno, Nevada.
Yeah, Reno, Nevada, not Vegas. Reno, Nevada. Cause I know people in the comment section like, oh, I see you guys had a good time in Vegas. We just said Reno 100 times.
You might say it 100. Oh look. It's probably about to come up.
Yeah, we'll keep it here. We're gonna show you somebody famous in 1 second.
Y'all might see somebody you recognize.
You might.
Yeah, never.
No, somebody you might know.
Yeah,
Oh, there you go. He popped right up. There you go. He popped right up. You recognize that guy? He's right there. How y'all doing today, ladies? Y'all good? Y'all good? Enjoy yourselves.
Okay. It's warm.
It's warm.
So the other day I was out here.
Uh-huh.
Actually, do it right here. This is a good background.
Okay.
The other day I was out here. I was walking around.
Yeah.
And this whole thing was steaming.
Yeah.
You remember that, right?
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, it was steaming.
So I just kind of wanted to see it, but this is, check out the views, y'all.
Look at it. Here we go. Here we
Dom,
go.
you be traveling, man. You be everywhere.
Look at that. They got snow in the background and people in the swimming pool.
Crazy.
I can't make this up. Beautiful place.
Dom, you everywhere, bro.
Yeah, I'm Philly, but I'm Philly's own.
So we're about to go put on the gala fit.
Yeah.
We're gonna walk you through the gala. Just show you how the company rock.
Yeah.
So this company's not like anything else.
Yeah, I know what you guys thinking.
Yeah.
Insurance companies are supposed to be like this. Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go upstairs, get changed, get right, and then we'll see you guys, all right?
Here we go. See you in a little bit. What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Once again, I'm rocking out with Jacques Wilkens. What's going on?
Chilling in Philly. You rocking out with the one and only phillydom. You know, we got the Prada on the eyes. You know what I'm saying?
I see you.
Something light.
Where we going right now? What you into today, right now?
We got a gala tonight.
Okay.
Tonight we're doing the gala. We're gonna do some amazing things.
Let them know what the gala is. Yeah.
We gotta go buy some shirts for the gala, so let's go.
Yeah.
So today we're gonna go to the gala, which is gonna be amazing. But right now, listen, guys. Here's what I want to tell you. When I started doing the videos, I was traveling all over. People were like, yo, Jacques, you got the chains on. This is gonna happen. Remember Dominican Republic?
Yeah. I remember
I'm just trying to show y'all we could be versatile.
Whatever
we
you do.
We could put on the suit. We could still be fly.
Nice dress.
We could be professional. We could be who we are. The one thing I was telling you, the financial services, financial education. It's what we do. It's not who we are.
Okay.
Right? We need to learn financial education because we need to help our families.
Because it's not really prevalent in our community.
It's not prevalent, but it don't mean
It's not possible that it can never happen.
Not only that's not possible, but it don't mean that I got to be this fake person. I'm still me.
Okay.
I'm just enjoying life.
Okay, sorry about that. Yeah.
I'm just enjoying life, and I'm learning how to do better. I'm learning how to do more for my family, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that.
And different avenues and. Oh wow, my boy right there. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I got everybody.
Finishing up the video.
Yeah.
I'm gonna a little bit, okay? All right. So yeah, you can do it all. You don't have to be just.
Yeah.
We're multi-talented, multifaceted. Look at phillydom. One moment Philly's in Alaska, next moment he's in Haiti, next moment he's in Brazil, next moment like.
Now I'm at an insurance conference.
Bro, we're so much more. We mean so much more. We represent so much more. Come on, man. I'm the son of the Most High. You know what? You know what image I was made of? I was made in my Father's image.
Yeah.
I can do anything and everything. I'm so powerful. You're so powerful.
Yeah.
Don't ever think that you got to be just one way. Don't ever think that. But don't ever minimize yourself either. I know a lot of y'all
Maximize yourself.
Some of y'all know me on Phillies.
Yeah, he been in a couple videos.
Some of y'all.
He been in a couple videos.
It's been a minute.
Yeah, they asking about you. I told them.
Sometimes, you know.
I told them what you was doing. They thought I was making up something.
Nah, some of y'all know Jacques. We in the pepper mill, man.
Yeah, casino.
Beautiful casino.
We out here in not Las Vegas, Reno, Nevada.
We can do everything, y'all. We can do both.
Yeah,
We could be fly.
we can do a little bit of
We
everything.
can do everything. So we're doing this. Listen.
Yeah.
We want to encourage you guys.
Uh-huh.
You're more than you know. You're more than. Don't be a stereotype. Don't be that. That's one of the beautiful things about traveling. Watching Philly's channel, a lot of people are like, hey Philly, how do they treat you when you're in Mexico? How do they treat the blacks? How do they treat the blacks in Brazil? How do they treat, bro? They treat you the way you treat yourself. How do you see yourself?
Yep, that's
I see myself
100%
as a
true. Look at this,
king.
boom.
I see myself as a king, so you're gonna address me as a king.
Yeah.
Right? Philly's a king. It's all about how you feel, how you treat yourself.
Yeah.
And also, this isn't me.
Yeah,
You are the man. The man makes the suit don't make the man.
that's true, 100%.
I'm just changing clothes. Philly changing clothes. Philly changing area codes. Philly changing states, changing countries. Because
Everywhere we go.
that's what he do. Philly, let me
Yeah.
ask you a question. Let's turn this around.
Yeah.
Let's talk to the YouTube
You know how I
channel.
go. You know how I go. Yeah.
Philly, let me ask you a question.
What you want to know?
What have you discovered from traveling the world? What is the common denominator that you've discovered from traveling everywhere, Philly?
That's a good question.
You've
man.
lived like 3 different lives. You lived so many different lives, Dom. You done did it all to put the pieces to the puzzle.
That I would say that life is short, and you must take the opportunity to experience different cultures, different lifestyles, just experience different things. Take chances, step outside of your box, and do different things that you wouldn't do because life is short.
Why,
That's
but why is that important though, Dom? Why is it important? And what's the common denominator? You've been everywhere. You've been all the different cities, all the different states.
Everybody
all the different
struggles.
countries.
Everybody has problems. Everybody has a good part of town. Everybody has a bad part of town. That's the common denominator to me.
What about the people that are stuck in their area, stuck in their hood, stuck in their spot, and they've never left the block? They've never left.
That's not a good
let me say this real quick.
Yeah.
Because I learned a lot from your channel, Dom.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna tell you one of the main things I learned is that, they say this thing, you could buy a bottle of water from a vending machine for 50 cents,
water, yeah.
right? But this same bottle of water at the airport is $5, right? But that same bottle of water somewhere else could be $10. It's the same bottle of water, just in a different place.
Yeah.
So a lot of people, they don't know their worth. They don't know that, man, you're a God, you're a king. You know what I
They
mean?
can change up no matter where they at.
So what common denominator have you found going to different countries? It's still Philly. It don't matter where you are. It's still Philly. But what is something you can tell to motivate people? Because I think with your channel, you spread a lot of love, Dom.
I do spread a lot of love.
And you're not biased. You're not trying to force people into thinking one way. You show every perspective.
Yeah, the good, the bad, the ugly, the fair, the unfair.
Hey, everybody in the chat, leave a comment right now if you think
Leave a
Dom.
comment.
If you think Dom is somebody who gives everybody a chance to express their opinion, if he's non-biased, if he's spreading love, leave a comment. You guys know Philly. You guys know the vibes.
Yes, indeed.
But Dom, tell me, what do you think is the common denominator for real?
Everywhere we go, what's the common denominator?
What's the common denominator?
That people are looking for a better life, no matter where they're from.
People looking for a better life.
Better opportunities,
Okay.
better situation, whatever it may be. But they always looking to achieve something better than what they had.
Okay. And right now, the big thing is, you've been doing a lot of the migrant crisis videos.
Yeah.
The big thing is people are literally risking their life for a better life.
I know, so that tells you where they from is that bad. Anytime somebody's gonna walk through 8 or 9 countries or jump on a plane with no money and go to a country,
Risk their life.
Just to get
Leave
there.
behind their heritage. Leave behind their language, their food,
families,
everything they know.
everything they know, to take a chance somewhere else. That tells you the state of the situation where they from.
But we got certain people who stuck in the same place forever, and they can't understand why somebody would do that. Or I don't want to say can't understand, but they're not sympathetic.
Yeah.
Would you say that?
Yeah, they're not sympathetic.
Sympathetic to this certain situation.
Because some people adapt to their situation, other people try to overcome their situation.
Okay, some people adapt.
Some
Meaning,
people that's trying to come to the country or come different places are trying to overcome their situation.
Wow.
Some people stay in certain places and they just accept whatever it is.
Wow.
My dad was poor, my brother was poor, I'm gonna be poor.
Damn.
They just accept it. Or even if they do great things in school or high school or college, whatever, some of them are still scared because they don't know how it's gonna go if they go somewhere else and try something better. Because they so fixated and so used to what they've been through.
So everyone, everywhere, people are just looking for a better life.
Yes.
And some people are willing to go to the extremes
Yes.
to find it.
A better life.
And some people will just accept their reality. But some people know that they're meant for more.
Yes.
So kind of like what we're doing over here. We're doing the finance.
That people are meant for more. They know they want better for themselves, better for their family.
What have you experienced being at this conference? And they say when you come to these conferences, you have what's called a significant emotional experience. Has there been any speakers or anybody that's that made you kind of like think some things out?
Yes. It's a one speaker that spoke, and he only spoke briefly, but he told his story. He was a security guard for like 15, 20 years in LA at the LA Museum. His dad passed a couple years back.
His dad got murdered, right?
His dad got murdered.
Damn.
He's from LA.
Big guy. He was gonna be professional basketball.
He was gonna be professional basketball later. He pulled his knee, and he did something else. He was gonna make money, and it fell through. So basically, he was saying he was starting to just
give up
and just accept his fate. And then it all changed when he got with the company.
Wow.
And he's the first millionaire black from the company, from PHP.
From this side. The first millionaire black, his name is Hart. I forgot his Hart. He's one of the other ones.
Okay.
But he's one of the top guys in the company as well.
Okay.
Just another story of somebody who said, "Hold on, let's get on this together, Philly. It's been a minute since we."
Come on, Philly. Yeah.
Bro, I think I put you on it.
Yeah.
Yo, all right. But anyways, another example of someone who just decided, I'm not gonna accept my fate, man. I'm not gonna accept the scraps I was given. I'm not gonna tap out like wrestling. Like we got to hear from Anthony Robles, bro. He was born with one leg. You're gonna see some pictures of phillydom, me and Philly with him.
Videos. Yep.
He's born with one leg, and he said, don't make your challenge an excuse. Make your challenge the reason why you're gonna succeed, right? And he said, if I was born with two legs, I probably wouldn't make it as far. He became an NCAA champion. They just did a movie with him. They just did a movie for him called Unstoppable with Jennifer Lopez, Don Cheadle. Like, it's crazy. So some people accept, and some people say, no, I was meant for more. So that little voice you got in your ear that won't let you sleep, that little voice that say, hey, Dom, don't forget about me.
Yeah.
Hey, don't forget about me. You said when you get this age, you do this. Don't forget about me. Remember that 15-year-old you? The stuff you was going through with your parents? Oh, when I become a parent, I ain't never gonna do that. Or when I become, all those things you used to say for yourself.
Yeah. You can do it, especially if somebody like him to do it with one leg.
Woo.
Nobody believes he can do it in the beginning.
And we heard from Michael Francese. I'm saying that wrong. Francese.
Get his name right, man.
Get his name right. Get it right. They're gonna come for you. They're gonna come for you. Mob boss.
Turned Christian. Businessman. Legal business. Because he was always making money. Let's not get that wrong.
He was the top guy.
Get that wrong. Yeah, he was all had paper.
So it's just people who just decide they want more. And phillydom, that's what he's about. He's about uplifting you guys. He's about leading by example. He's about going into the trenches. He ain't just gonna tell you what's going on. He's gonna go there and he's gonna show you.
And showing you different avenues. Showing you guys different avenues. Yeah. Now you got the insurance on your belt, life insurance. Would you say, Jacques?
And I'm just, look,
everybody got die.
Show me again. I'm just a regular dude.
Yeah, hold on, here we go.
Show me again.
Yeah.
Boom. I look like your cousin. I look like your brother. I look like your homie. I look like Young Jeezy. They said when I took the, bald head. Just a regular dude who wanted more. That's all it is. So we're gonna sign out on this one. I can't wait to show you guys more videos. But you're rocking with the one and only phillydom.
Yes, indeed.
It's been a pleasure to be on your platform.
Oh,
again,
thank you. There's gonna be more and more videos.
I appreciate y'all. We're gonna see y'all at the top or from it. I'm gonna see you at the top or from it. You understand? And you're gonna make it. I'm not sure where, but wherever it is you headed, you're gonna get there. Holla at your boy.
Peace out for now.
All right, so now we back at the hotel. Tonight we're going to gala night. So Dom gonna show you gala night.
Let them know what a gala is, because some people are like, I gotta Google that.
So It's actually gonna be basically it's like the awards for our company.
You hear that?
So not only the awards, but just say like the Grammy Awards for our company. We'll go this way. So you're gonna see a lot of people getting a lot of awards. You might even see your boy get some awards tonight.
Oh, Jacques.
But, hey, you never know. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
You might see me get some awards tonight. You never know. But there's gonna be a lot of dancing. There's a band called, and please, I know the chat gonna roast me.
It's a Mexican band. They good.
It's called Fulanito or something like that.
Yeah, y'all know what we're talking about.
Yeah. Anybody in the chat, if you know this band, shout out to Fulanito. But it's supposed to be a very popular Latin band. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, mess with us.
Yeah, rock with
Mess with us, rock with us, hang out with us.
You never know.
They ain't gonna hurt you.
But it's supposed to be amazing. So
And let them know the hotel we at again.
How
Casino.
you doing?
Let them know where we at again.
We are at where we at? Peppermill.
Cause people always wanna know.
Where you at?
Peppermill.
Peppermill, Reno, Nevada.
Yeah, Reno, Nevada. Not Vegas, Reno, Nevada. Cause I know people in the comment section like, oh, I see you guys had a good time in Vegas. We just said Reno 100 times.
You might say it 100. Oh look. It's probably about to come up.
Yeah, we'll keep it here. We're gonna show you somebody famous in 1 second.
Y'all might see somebody you recognize.
You might,
You never know.
somebody you might know.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go, he popped right up. There you go, he popped right up. You recognize that guy, he's right there. How y'all doing today, ladies? Y'all good? Y'all good? Enjoy yourselves.
Okay.
You look like $1 million.
How you doing? How you doing?
That's the gala.
Okay.
So that's the gala. They're gonna be dressed good and awards. Oh, I still want to go see outside. Look, let's go. Hey, you got keys?
Yeah, I got keys. I
Let's go
got keys.
outside. I actually want to see outside. Because I want to touch the water. So
It's hot, I bet you.
Reno's freezing, so I think
bet-
it's supposed to be. I don't know. It's hot.
How hot is the water? Is it like sauna hot?
Yeah, it's warm. It's warm.
It's warm.
So the other day I was out here.
Uh-huh.
Actually, do it right here. This is a good background.
Okay.
The other day I was out here. I was walking around,
Yeah.
and this whole thing was steaming.
Yeah.
You remember that, right?
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, it was steaming.
So I just kind of wanted to see it, but this is check out the views, y'all.
Look at it. Here we go. Here we
Dom,
go.
you be traveling, man. You be everywhere.
Look at that. They got snow in the background and people in the swimming pool.
Crazy.
I can't make this up. Beautiful place.
Dom, you everywhere, bro.
Yeah, I'm Philly, but I'm Philly's own.
So we were about to go put on the gala fit.
Yeah,
We're gonna walk you through the gala, just show you how the company rock.
Yeah.
So this company's not like anything else. because-
yeah. I know what you guys thinking.
Yeah.
Insurance companies are supposed to be like this. Thank you so much. Yeah,
It's gonna be a little different.
yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go upstairs, get changed, get right, and then we'll see you guys. All right.
Here we go.
Good.
See you in a little bit.
A little bit.